Hey guys, I'm doing a 2021 Ford F-150 with push to start. I'm also doing ECMD. So normally we do it on the passenger side on the kick panel, but since it's got ECMD, spent a little bit of time. So I had to wait for the next truck to come over. So pop off this panel right here, slice this green tape. There is a thick white with a red stripe. That's your constant. And then I found a really thin, kind of like we do in the GMs, purple with a white stripe, and that's ignition. And I grounded it right there. Kind of tuck my wire up here, ran it up, and I'm putting my tracker on the side. I took this off just so I can place the tracker a little bit better over there. And then it's got the ECMD down there. That's it. Also put a camera. But like I said, power right here, white with red, thick, and purple with white for ignition. That's it.